Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how you can disable the Hornet voice in Hollow Knight Silksong. Let's begin! So, having a non-mute protagonist in Hollow Knight game is pretty cool, but I totally get that some people might get pretty annoyed by it, so let's disable the Hornet voice during dashing, attacking and receiving damage. You can easily do that by getting into our pause menu and then navigating into options. Here, all you want to do is simply head into Audio tab, and right at the bottom we have Hero Voice. As you can see, currently we cannot hear the hero's voice during exploration and combat, but if you prefer to hear all those shahs and different Hornet voices, you can always keep that enabled. However, if you want to get rid of it, just set it off, go back, and you can now explore and enjoy the game, pretending that Hornet is mute, just like the knight from the previous game. Anyway, that's all for this video. Found it useful? Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.